In this video, I'll show you the full breakdown and testing results for Anthropic's new Claude Opus 4.7. If you find this useful, subscribe and leave a like. Let's get into it. Claude Opus 4.6 was already a favorite for many, but it still struggled with very complex coding and blurry images. These testing results show that Opus 4.7 isn't just a small update, it's a complete shift in how much work the AI can do without you. Before this release, Opus 4.6 was sitting at a 53.4% success rate on the professional software engineering benchmark. Now, Opus 4.7 has jumped to a 64.3%, which officially puts it ahead of GPT 5.4. Testing also shows it can now build entire systems like a full text-to-speech engine completely from scratch. It doesn't just write the code, it now creates its own tests to verify the code works before it tells you it's finished. Previously, Claude models were limited on how much details they could see in an image or screenshot. Now, Opus 4.7 can process images at over 3 times the previous resolution. On the XBO Vision benchmark, its score went from 54.5% all the way up to 98.5%. This means now it can finally read small text in dense spreadsheets or identify tiny bugs in UI design screenshots that it used to miss. Before this update, Claude could sometimes interpret your prompts loosely or skip small details to be more creative. Now, Opus 4.7 is much more literal, meaning it does exactly what you ask it to do with the very high precision. Notion reported that the model is 14% more reliable in multi-step tasks and makes 66% fewer errors when calling tools. Testing shows it is now more honesty. It will now tell you when data is missing instead of guessing or making things up. Pricing for Opus 4.7 is officially the same as the previous version at $5 per million input tokens. However, Anthropic has introduced a new tokenizer that processes text differently. Testing reveals that the same sentence now costs between 10% and 25% more tokens than it did on the old model. This is a hidden price increase, so you need to watch your usage closely if you are on a tight budget. To get the best results, you need to use the new effort settings in the API or your dashboard. This is a new X-high level that balances deep reasoning with the speed. If you are doing basic chat, keep it on a low to save memory. Only use the max when you have a massive problem that requires the AI to think for several minutes. So if you found this video useful and you like more of such videos, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Claude 4.7, drop them in the comments. I'll be able to respond to you with a video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.